What's going on, guys? Robby Blanchard here, and if you want to learn how to make $1,000 a day online, then now, this month is the perfect time. And here's why. Because when you join Commission Hero, which you already know is the best program for having success online, you'll also get 2 done-for-you campaigns that have made me and my students thousands of dollars a day. As a matter of fact, let's hear from some of the students right now.
I started running ads literally a month and a half ago, and I've already hit my first $1,000 day, and that's about almost $700 profit that day, which is literally more than I make in a week at my 9-to-5.
Best business decision I've made. Robby and his team are the real deal. The course is incredible. It's laid out very well. It gives you everything you need to know. And the Facebook group is just as valuable because there's a community of like-minded people in there all trying to achieve the same thing.
I mean, when you look at that number, does it seem real to you, or is it kind of like, you know?
No, that's just a long blurry number, is that? It's crazy. I'm chasing that $1 million month, so like that, I managed to sort of do this over years. Now I genuinely believe I can achieve $1 million month, and I can't wait to push forwards and actually see that come this way. So yeah,
guys, I mean, you can see literally this is CLICKBANK. This is pretty much when we started running ads up here, March. Now it's pretty much October, and you'll see here 902,663 cents. So that is what we did there. And then literally, here's like, we just started running ads in Digistore like, I don't know, maybe a week ago, a week and a half, $162,000 in Digistore.
And it was 102,901. And that was my, total sales in here. So yeah, I mean, 7 months, that's crazy.
So you can see how awesome Commission Hero is, and when you use these 2 done-for-you campaigns, you can have big time results. Now guys, when you join Commission Hero this month, you'll also get, like I said, my 1K a day promotion, right? Which is those 2 done-for-you campaigns, plus exclusive access to my 1K a day card, which you have virtual credit cards, higher spending limits, all this good stuff to help you scale up your campaigns for even more profit, guys. So join Commission Hero right now, get my 2 done-for-you campaigns as part of my 1K a day promotion so you can start having success and making it your best month ever, guys. Click the link, and I'll see you on the inside.